Welcome back to the ATL, All Things Life, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is the type of content you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Well, it's a real one's birthday. I asked CHAT GPT to make me a $100 budget Disney Springs birthday quest. And it gave me a whole itinerary for the day, and we are going to try to make this happen for this guy. It's his birthday, y'all. So first stop is guest relations. You stop by guest relations and you go and let them know that it is your birthday, and they're going to give you a birthday pin. Get our first birthday freebie. It's his birthday. Do y'all have like birthday pins? Yeah.
You just need one birthday?
Yeah.
Say it again? Do you want your name on it?
Yeah. Vaughn V-O-N.
One more time?
Vaughn V-O-N.
They even write your name on it. How nice.
There you go.
Thanks, bro.
No problem.
Any good tips on him having his birthday pin on?
Any tips?
Yeah.
You're going to hear a lot of happy birthday, while you're walking around.
That's pretty much it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
That was super easy. Now we're on our way to get our movie tickets. We are going to cheat a little bit because we have a gift card for that. But right now, Chat says to find some good photo opportunities for free and in front of some things that are memorable to you. That's what we're going to try to find right now. This is Disney Photo Pass. These are for purchase, but you can take them for free, and you either have to download the app. If you don't have the app downloaded, they're going to give you this card, and you're going to punch those numbers in, and you'll be able to look at your photos, and if you like to purchase any of them, that will be available. I thought that was so cool, but that was so cool and so fun. So bring your family here, friends, whoever you come here with, make sure they check out the Photo Pass. Now we're at the movies, and I always use my Inside Reward for good perks of money off tickets, concessions, and all those types of things. So make sure that you always use and sign up for this at AMC. We got our popcorn, only $10. We get a large, but for the price of a regular, and she gave us a free drink for the birthday boy. Are you excited about your movie?
Yes, I am. My wife's the best.
So we're out. The movie was really good. We are about to go in this store and let him do a little bit of shopping. Chat GPT said you can spend at least $20 to $30 on a souvenir. If he doesn't find anything in there, we're going to walk around and explore a little bit more. And Chat GPT said add a sweet treat for about $10, $15, and we still have not hit our $100 mark yet. So let's go shopping. Drop it in the thing. Confirm. Do you want a bag?
Yeah.
10 cent?
No.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Check him out. Isn't that cool? This is coming in at a whopping $285. I don't know if that's $1 million. Look at that. Look at that. The Magic Kingdom, all done in crystal. This is too cute. Look at that. An M&M purse. Is this made out of? The M&M wrappers. That's crazy. Made out of M&M wrappers. Got the M&M clutch. Got a little coin purse. We've reached the end of our day here at Disney Springs. He chose to get a cookie from Gideon's Bakehouse. Elon, triple chocolate, original chocolate, pistachio. Ooh, that pistachio toffee is looking good. And banana bread. Chocolate. I like the pretty rainbow with vanilla. I don't know what that
She
is.
said some mint.
Mint. Okay, chocolate mint. Cookies and cream. Peanut butter crunch. Back to original chocolate
I know I'm
chip.
getting that triple chocolate.
Triple
But I
chocolate.
want that peanut butter.
And the pistachio. And then, how much is the cake?
Cake slices are 11.
11. Should I?
Chocolate and then the rainbow crunch
Rainbow
cake
crunch.
slice.
Yep.
Perfect.
There's always a line, but we're gonna see what they have. He got a freebie soap from, what was that place called? Suds or something? I don't know. He got a freebie from there, so that was nice of them. And we're gonna get our cookie and we're gonna head back home. We got 7 happy birthdays from cast members, which was really good. And he got his his shirt. So I think our total came up to almost $100. I'll put the total amount here. But I hope you all enjoyed watching today's birthday quest here at Disney Springs. What CHAT GPT made for our itinerary for under $100 for this guy's birthday. I will show you what cookie we get at the end. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you have any suggestions on what we should do next, put them down in the comment section below. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
See you next time.